Good was good was good. We about to walk through our trade. I've been sick lately. Yesterday or last week, I blew my 100K, so we're on to a new one. A lot of trial and error took place. I started to become like more emotional with trading, which like sets me back, which is horrible. For sure. Start real quick. All right, so this is our M&Q trade. I'm gonna walk y'all boys through what I seen and why I took everything that I did. Okay, so our daily bias was we have on our daily chart, we see break a structure here, fair value gap, and we're just setting this fair value gap range. So like, and yesterday, this was a candle that I was like not so sure about due to the fact of how market may act, but I wanted to see price swing right below this daily close. And let's have this marked out as daily. I'm just mark it out as DC. So we use that as the daily close, and I wanted to see a long, like I wanted to be bullish on this chart, and we go to the 1 hour, and you see, oh shoot, my mouse started tripping out. We see a swing, and then we have a rally. Our rally is here. This is at what? Last week though, 3 p.m. last week, and we are into today's Monday. Yeah, today's Monday. So this and this was our confluence here, our inversion. Yeah, but we had a fair value gap here. It's a 1 hour, and you always use higher time frames for a better entry. Look at this. Got my blood work done. I get surgery tomorrow. ACL, man. It's football. But yeah, so now we now we're on to the 15-minute time frame. And as you guys can see, we have a fair value gap here and a break of structure. And I was just going in and viewing to see if our fair value gap matched up some like roughly to our lower time frame entries or like lower time frame bias, sorry. But we have a fair value gap here. We remove this one and don't mind this black line. That black line is literally, can I get rid of this? All right, we're just gonna move this to the side. Don't mind the black line. Like I said, that's the daily close, and I want to see price reject and sweep that. So we have, I can't, I'm gonna have to reset this chart. So we have our 15-minute view. This was our open, but this was our bias. Swing, we want to see a displacement, which is here, rally displacement, and we go down to the 5 minute just to view the chart, just to like see market structure. Okay. I was going to use this as liquidity or here or here. Price didn't tap in between neither of those, but as you can see, we have this is a 15-minute fair value gap that is used. As you guys can see here, 15-minute fair value gap. But as we get closer and start to predefine our entry point, fair value gap in that 15-minute, and we have a swing roughly inside of this area here. So we use this as more confluence. Always a retracement into an entry. Clearly. I'm about to just walk y'all through this long position I took here. So we see a tap of a fair value gap here. Swing it up, rally, displacement. We go down to the 1 minute and we see a break of structure happen here, literally. So I'm like, okay, my bias automatically turns bullish, literally turns bullish. It already was bullish, but confluence was amazing. So bullish, sweep, rally down. Mind you, this is stronger due to the fact of higher time frame candles. So we have our inversion, which is here, inversion fair value gap, boom, price taps, continues to run. This would have been TP, but we wait for this fair value gap. We had break of structure here, break of structure there into our fair value gap. That was our initial entry, but I entered here due to this higher time frame fair value gap on a 5 minute. We took this 5 minute fair value gap rather than the 1 minute. And on that, yep, fair value gap, break of structure. That was all I needed. And we rode this out for a 1 to 2, risking 300. And yeah, one and done for the day. Literally one and done. 1 to 2. And that was a nice little trade. I've been slacking a little bit with uploading and trying to manage everything at once. I haven't been not being up to date with the market and things that has been going on. It's just a lot to handle, but we're gonna get this done. We're not gonna stop until we seek a payout, literally. But I'm gonna catch y'all boys.